Welcome to my video tutorial for posting math on the discussion board. So here I am, I'm in an old class from the winter, and it is pretty much the same as what we're going to have for our classes. To get to the discussion board, you're going to want to go to Communications and then click on Discussions. And in our list, it's going to say that we've got questions, homework questions from test 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. On this particular class, to hide everyone's names, I turned them all off and just have a demo post for us. So what you're going to do is we're going to go ahead and hit demo. Now you can see that there's one up here already. It says grade assignment number 6, number 1A. And so someone had asked, how do you do number 1A? And you can see that I posted a picture in there. And that's how I want this discussion board to look. I don't want you to try to type out math, and I definitely do not want you to attach a whole bunch of stuff. I want to see it inside the window for us here. So what you're going to do is, let's say I come back to this demo board, and if you want to ask a question, you're going to hit start a new thread. And usually what people do is they'll just, code the section or whatever. I've still got graded assignment up here. So I'm going to say graded assignment number 6, problem, we'll say 1C. Okay, so what's happening here is that you're going to say, something like, I am not sure how to do number 1C. And so you have to put a message in there, otherwise it gets mad at you. So you can post this anonymous if you want to, although when you're answering, I recommend that you don't, because otherwise I won't know who you are to give you credit. So you're going to go ahead and hit post, and now you can see that that one is going to load up here. For some reason it's still loading. And we can go ahead and answer that. So let's say that you are the person who wants to answer that, and you have got your assignment. You take a picture of it and you get it to your computer screen. And what's kind of nice about this is that you can just get the one little part with Jing. You don't have to post the whole page. And so with Jing, you're going to grab the crosshairs, and usually I probably would include the problem if it was on a worksheet or something like that. And you can just make it so that it's your particular work that you're looking at. So I'm going to call this demo 2 because I already had a file that was called demo 1, and I'm going to hit save. Okay, this little arrow thing would share it via screencast, but you can just save it onto your computer. It's a small file when they're the PNGs. We're going to call it demo 2. I'm just saving it in my Dropbox. You could save it on Google Drive, etc. Okay, and then we're going to go ahead and post this in the class. So let me grab that discussion board back, and let's say I want to answer myself here. So I'm looking at this graded assignment number 6, problem number 1C, and I want to reply to this. So right now it looks like you don't see the picture. You have to hit these 3 dots, and it says to show all components, and then they will be there for you. And you're going to click on the insert image. And if you hit upload, normally I would probably have this on my desktop and I would just drag it in. But because I blacked out my desktop for recording, I'm not going to have that luxury, but you can just pull it in if you want to. I'm going to go ahead and grab demo 2 and load that up. I'm going to hit add. It is decorative. You don't need to put any text in there. It's not really decorative, right? This is how we talk to each other. And then I'm going to go ahead and hit post. Okay, so now when anyone comes to look and say, oh, how do I do this particular problem, they can actually can see the work. Okay, that's how I want you to post things on the discussion board in my class.